how to fix this payment has been declined in Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like this payment has been declined in Roblox. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. So in my case, I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to type for Roblox support. So simply from there you'll have to search it. And now from there you'll be able to visit this official website of Roblox. So simply tap on this Roblox support to open this website. Alright, so simply from this section you'll have to log in with your account to Roblox. So simply tap on this login option. And now from this login page you'll have to give your username or email, and on the another section you'll have to give your password here. So after you're done this, you'll have to just tap on this login option. Alright, so once you are logged in with your account on this site, you will got such interface. So from here you'll have to give your first name here, and it is optional. And on the other hand you'll have to give your email address and confirm it again. So on the other hand it's your details. You'll have to give your device type. So simply from here I will choose Android phone. Alright, so on the another section, type of file category, simply from here choose billing and payment. Alright, so now on the another section you'll have to briefly explain your problem, that you are suffering such kind of problem like you can't make payment from Roblox app and your payment has been declined from the Roblox app. So after you made a request or describe your problem here, you'll have to just tap on this continue option, and from there after you made a request to Roblox team support, they will truly review your problem and contact you in some couple of hours or days. And after there they will provide you some guidelines or procedure to fix that problem, and from there you can easily make your payment from Roblox. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.